Hello everyone, I am Odi, and in this video we'll be talking about how to operate or navigate your way through the MT5. So as you can see, this is how the home page looks like when you install it, and it just shows like this. So first of all, we have this option right here. We have the file, view, insert, chat, tools, windows, and help. So what you need to understand now is when you just have the MetaTrader 5 installed in your PC, you simply want to connect your MetaTrader 5 to whatever broker you're using. So you go to the file option, and on that file option you just click open an account. So once you click, it will now take you to this option where you will search. So let's search exness. So as you can see now, it just opened the file. So what you simply do now is, if it's a real account, you just move it to real account and you head on to, and you also activate this button, this connect with an existing trade account. So you just click impute your logins and impute your password, then you go. Exness has a different real account. They have 5 and so many others, and when you just do that, once you click finish, it will automatically bring your account that you registered with them here. And also one other feature you need to understand is how to redesign the template. So for most part, it doesn't come like this. It's the chart doesn't look like this for most part. So for you to edit templates, you need to just go to properties, and on properties you would see common, you see show, and you see color. So you pick whatever color. There are some templates here, so if you click yellow and blue, it changes to like this. If you want it that way, you leave it, and if it's green and black, once you click, you can see it changes here, and if it's black and white, it changes as well. So whatever color fits you, like I am using this. And when you're done with the feature, what you just simply do is go to template. So when you get to template, you just click save template, and when you click save template, this is how it shows. So you just edit the name of the template and save it. So whenever you open any chart, you can just quickly go back to the template and select, like you can see mine here, I am Agos. So whatever chart I open, I will just go to the template and impute the chart color I simply want. And also the next thing you need to take note of is how to impute all these toolboxes that are here. So in some cases you wouldn't see them, the chart might just be like this, and you would want to like activate those toolboxes to see. You just go to view and you click market watch. Once you click market watch, this comes up, and once you click toolbox, the down place comes up. So for here, you'll be seeing your account and the trades you've taken. You can go to history, blah 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 blah, and every other thing below here. So lastly, what I would want to show you is how to take on trades either using true limit order and as well as using instant execution. So you just click on your new button, and as you can see, this pops up. When this pops up, you see symbol, type, volume. But for here, if you're using market execution, you just click on market execution, go to your trading view and copy your entries, SL and TP, and just impute them here. Very simple. It is beautiful with laptop, because with phone it's nice too as well, but with laptop it just gives you that free way to do it. So then if you don't want to trade on market execution, you just click on pending order, and yeah, you see if is it a buy limit, buy stop, sell limit, sell stop, whatever you prefer using. Then the volume will be your lot size, the price would be your entry price, your SL will be your stop loss, and your take profit. And once all those things are being inserted, you just execute your trade. And this is the simple way for you to navigate, and these are the most important things that I just talked about you need here. Lastly, if you want to add more currencies, as you can see here, these are just GBP, JPY and AUD USD. If you want to add more currency, what you do is you come to view and you click symbol, and when you click symbol, it will directly take you to here, and you see specification bar stick. And if you click FX, or you just need to, let's say we want to add GBP USD, you just write GBP USD, and what we do simply do now is to just click on the dollar sign when it pops up like this. Which shows symbol, as you can see, that's shown. So that is that for this, and you can also do that for Euro USD, and once you click, you just show symbol and to pop up just like this. So these are basically ways you navigate your way and use your laptop to amplify your trading abilities. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, guys. Write your thoughts in the comment section about what you think about this video. Peace out.